TS33 Automatic Test System. Simultaneous testing of two energy meters using the TS33. Connect power cord. This is the complete setup used for the simultaneous testing of two energy meters. Open generator mode. Enter the symmetrical function and configure the voltage and current output signals on the TS33 system. After configuring the parameters, click Start to begin signal generation. Optionally, after starting signal generation, open the meter function to check that all TS33 outputs are working correctly. If everything is operating correctly, the LEDs on the energy meters will start blinking, indicating that the energy meters are receiving and processing the signals properly. Once the LEDs are blinking, you can mount the photo head holders onto the energy meters. Please make sure that the blinking LED is positioned within the photo head holder opening. After mounting the holders, the photo heads can be connected to the pulse inputs available on the TS33. After connecting the photo heads to the inputs, they can be mounted onto the energy meters. If everything is set up correctly, the LEDs on the photo heads will start blinking, indicating that the photo heads are reading pulses from the energy meters and transmitting them to the TS33 pulse inputs. Open the epsilon function. Enter the required parameters: pulse constant, measurement time, and meter accuracy class. Please note that the pulse constant and accuracy class are specified on the energy meter nameplate and should be read directly from the meter. By selecting the checkbox as shown in the video, the measurement can be set to run in a loop. After entering all parameters, click Start to begin the measurement. The TS33 will now automatically perform the measurement process, continuously acquiring and analyzing data from both energy meters in real time. This ensures stable operation and reliable verification of measurement accuracy throughout the entire test cycle. After the measurement is completed, the results can be displayed in table form, and you can switch between channel 1 and channel 2.